In this video, I'll show you how to hide your affiliate link with a custom domain name. People find it more convincing to click on affiliate link with a custom domain name. There are other link shorteners out there like Bitly. When you use it, people don't trust those links. I'll advise you to use this I'm about to show you. Please pay attention, focus, and follow it step by step. But please, the strategy I'm about to show you, don't use it with Amazon affiliate link. They're gonna ban you. Instead of using Digistore 24, I have an affiliate product I want to promote, which is Builderall. This is what I use to create my landing pages and also to run my email marketing campaigns. I'll drop the link in the description as well. You can check it out. Compared to ClickFunnels, it's cheaper. Let's get into it. Go to Namecheap. This is the domain name I want to use. You need to buy a domain name close to the product you are about to promote. But as you can tell here, the name of the product is called Builderall. But please don't buy a domain name with the exact name. You see here, instead of Builderall, I created build or then business, because this product is about business. This is the idea. Let's say, for instance, if you want to promote something in the area of fitness, and let's say the product name is Modern Gym, what you have to do, you can say Modern Fitness. Don't try to use the exact company name or exact product name. Locate your domain name, click on Manage. This is what you are looking for. URL, redirect record. Highlight this, delete it. Click on Add New Record. And we want URL redirect record. Click here, type add, and right click, paste your affiliate link. Then on mask, we want permanent 301. Click the check sign. It has deleted the other records that I have there. I know in most cases people try to delete those first, but please don't delete it first. Just do exactly what I did. You just have to enter the records and it's gonna delete by itself. Add another one, the record. And this time around, we're gonna say W, then paste the affiliate link. Is there already? Just click it. Then permanent redirect. Then click to save. Add the last one, and I'll show you why. Click here, HTTPS. Then right click and paste, or just is there already. Like I said, you don't need to worry to paste it again. It's there already. Because Namecheap saves by default. On mask again, permanent 301. Then check it out. Let me show you something. The reason why I added this, if I highlight this, right click and copy, let's go to incognito and I drop it. Let's see what will happen. Bam, it sends me straight to the sales page. Let me just open another, close this, and I'll copy the other one and we'll try that one too as well. Close this. Let me copy again and I'll show you the other one. Let's go to incognito. I'm just trying to show you how these things work. W dot delete this, paste this, and I enter, it should work again. Bam, it to the same page again. That means if it types www dot with this, which is what people are used to, the www dot, it's gonna bring the person to the sales page. Delete this. Okay, all right.